So, today we will be discussing flowcharts where decision taking will be involved. It means now we will have to draw a decision box also, and our first problem is like this: draw flowchart to input a positive number. We are assuming that the number which will be inputted will be a positive number, and then we have to find whether it is a single digit number or a multi digit number. So, our flowchart is like this: we start, then we input number. For number I am using an identifier NUM. Okay. So, using NUM I will be inputting a positive number. It means we have assumed that the user will always input a positive number, and after this is now decision box. Is NUM greater than 9? So, if number is greater than 9, it means it is a multi digit number. So, what I will do? I will print here, print NUM. So, value of this number will be printed is multi digit. Okay. So, if NUM is greater than 9, then I am writing that NUM is multi digit. See, I have used double quotation marks here because this thing will be printed as it is, and for this thing the value will be printed, value of the number, because the user will be inputting the value of number. So, same value will be printed here. So, value of this number will be printed, and after this thing will be printed as it is multi digit. That is why I have used double quotation marks here, because whatever is written in double quotation marks will be printed as it is. Okay. This is when my number is greater than 9. If my number is not greater than 9, then what do I do? Then I display a message that number is a single digit number. So, I will be displaying a message here. I will write print NUM, its value will be printed is single digit. Okay. So, and after printing this, what do I do? Because my work is over, so I stop. So, in this case also, after this I stop. So, I am connecting here that after this I stop. Okay. So, first of all, what do? We ask user to input a number. So, this NUM will get a value whenever this program gets executed. User will be say entering a number, and that number will be placed inside NUM. So, is NUM greater than 9? Yes, if NUM is greater than 9, if my number inputted is greater than 9, then I am printing a message NUM, the value of it will be printed is multi digit. Otherwise, I am printing NUM, its value will be printed is single digit. Okay. So, either this will happen or this will happen, both things are not happening together, either this will happen or this will happen. Okay. So, that is why this is called a logical decision box, either we go this way or we go this way. Okay. And in both the cases, if my number is single digit, then after that what I do? I stop. If my number is multi digit, then I do not go there, I come down, and after printing this what I do? I stop. Okay. That is how these things will be working. Now, let us take one more example for it. Now, we have come back to Bogilal. Bogilal sells mangoes. If bill is more than sells mangoes, if bill is more than rupees 500, then 10% discount is given. Okay. You know, nowadays discounts are everywhere. So, if bill is more than rupees 500, then 10% discount is given. Now, we want to draw a flow chart for this process. So, we start like this, start, see, if I have to calculate bill, then first of all I should know number of mangoes. and then I should know whatever rate is there, rate per mango. Okay. So, first of all I will be inputting number of mangoes and rate per mango. Okay. So, this identifier NM is for number of mangoes and rate is for rate per mango. See, once we know these two things, then we can calculate our bill. What will be the bill? Bill is equal to number of mangoes into rate per mango. Okay. Now, once we have the bill, then we will be taking a decision. We will go to decision box. Is bill calculated is greater than 500. Okay. If bill calculated is greater than 500, then he gets some discount. How much discount does he get? Customer, he gets 10% discount. So, now your new bill, okay, I may write net bill or I can use the same variable. I am using same variable. Bill is equal to, okay, whatever bill was calculated, on it he is getting 10% discount. So, now it will be if I 10% of bill will be 0.1 of the bill. So, I can write it like this. I may write it like this. I will say bill is equal to whatever 0.9 into bill, because 0.1 of the bill, that is 10% of the bill, has been given as discount. So, now your new bill is equal to 0.9 into bill. Okay. And if his bill is not greater than 500, then what happens? He does not get any discount. See, this is discounted bill, but if his earlier bill is not greater than 500, then he is not getting any discount. So, we will bypass this and we will connect it here. Okay. So, if bill is not greater than, if bill is greater than 500, then we have updated the bill. Now, the new bill is equal to 0.9 into bill. Otherwise, there is no change. Okay, bill remains same. So, after this what we do? We print bill, print the value of bill, and after that what we do? We stop. Okay. So, what are we doing? Let us revise everything. This is a start, and then input number of mangoes or rate per mango, and then we have calculated the bill, number of mangoes into rate per mango. Okay. Once we have this bill, then we can take a decision. Is my bill calculated is greater than 500? Yes, then he gets 10%. Now, it means now it remains only 0.9 of the bill, because 10% means 0.1 of the bill has been given as discount. So, now I have written bill is equal to 0.9 into bill, because it remains. I can't write 0.9 bill, I can't write like this, okay, because I need to write 0.9 into bill. Okay. 0.9 bill is nothing here. So, I will have to write, because bill itself is an identifier. So, I will have to write 0.9 into bill. Okay. So, this is right, this is wrong. So, bill is equal to 0.9 into bill. So, if his bill was not greater than 500, then he did not get this discount. Okay. So, we bypass this, we have directly come down to this. Okay. So, if bill is smaller than 500, then bill remains same. Otherwise, now bill is discounted by 0.1 of the bill or 10% of the bill. Now, the bill is 0.9 into bill. Okay, fine. Now, let us take one more example. Now, let us take one more Bhogilal problem. Here Bhogilal sells mangoes. If customer is known to Bhogilal for more than 5 years and bill is more than rupees 500, then 10% discount is given. Okay. It means the discount is given based on the loyalty and based on the bill. Otherwise, if customer is known to Bhogilal for more than 5 years, but bill is not more than rupees 500, okay, then 5% discount is given. Okay. So, these are two criterias of giving discount. Now, what we have to do? We have to draw flow chart to generate net bill. Okay. So, let us start. Now, we will be inputting what all things we need to input: number of mangoes, rate per mango, and one more new thing here, number of years. Okay. The customer is known to Bhogilal. See, while naming your identifiers, you have to be bit careful. Number of mangoes, I have written NM, okay, and this is a single word NM. Okay, there is no space in between. See, some of you may write like this. You may write number of mangoes. See, this is not an identifier, because there should be no gap in between. Okay. If I see these are 3 different words, 1, 2 and 3. So, while naming an identifier, there should be no gap. It means it has to be a single word. Okay. So, many people they do like this. Suppose they want to write number of mangoes, then you will be writing like this, number of. Okay, now there is no gap because underscore is being used, but this becomes quite long. Okay. So, in my case I have just written NM for number of mangoes. Okay. Fine, let us move ahead. So, we are inputting 3 things: number of mangoes, rate and number of years. Okay. Now, first of all I will be generating bill. Bill will be equal to number of mangoes into rate. Once I generated this bill, then first of all I will be drawing this box, this decision box, where I will be, this condition will be there: is number of years greater than 5. Does Bhogilal know the customer for more than 5 years? Yes. Now, there will be second test. Is bill greater than 500? Okay. Yes. It means now he has qualified for 10% discount. Okay, I am repeating. First of all, we are inputting number of mangoes, rate per mango and number of years. Then we generated the bill. Bill is equal to number of mangoes into rate. Now, we are checking, is number of years Bhogilal knows the customer greater than 5? Yes. Is bill greater than 500? Yes, it means he gets maximum discount, that is 10% discount. So, now what will be the new bill? Bill will be equal to 0.9 into bill, because he has got 0.1 of the bill, that much amounts discount. So, remaining bill is 0.9 into bill. Okay. What will we do? We will print bill. And after that we will stop. Is number of years greater than 5? If number of years are not greater than 5, then are we getting any discount? No. If number of years are not greater than 5, then I am not getting any discount. It means whatever I have calculated, it means whatever I have calculated here, okay, only that holds good. So, it means now I will directly come here, okay, whatever bill I have calculated, I will bypass this discount, I am directly coming there. Now, if number of years are greater than 5, but bill is not greater than 500. Okay, if I am here, it means if I am to this I am in this decision box, it means that number of years are greater than 5, but bill is not greater than 500. Okay, then what will be the new bill? Okay, I am storing in the same variable bill. So, now bill will be equal to 0.95 because he has got 5% discount into bill. Okay. And then what do I do after this? After this also, because now I have calculated, I have given discount. So, now I need to print bill. So, I will come down here, print bill, and I will stop. Okay. Some of you must be using a new variable net bill. You can do that also. Net bill is equal to 0.9 of the bill. So, you can write like that also, but in my case what I have done, in the same variable I have stored. Okay. So, I will revise it, input number of mangoes, rate number of years, bill is equal to number of mangoes into rate. Is number of years greater than 5? Yes. Is bill greater than 500? Yes. Then he gets 10% discount, we print it and stop, because only one of these conditions will take place at a time. Okay. If number of years are not greater than 5, then he does not get any discounts. So, because these are two discount conditions, this and this. Okay. So, if number of years are not greater than 5, then no discount is given. Whatever bill was calculated, same will be printed. I am printing the same bill without modifying and I stop. Okay. If number of years are greater than 5, but bill is not greater than 500, then I come here. Okay. If bill is not greater than 500, I come here. I give 5% discount and then that discounted bill will be printed and I will stop. Okay. So, that is how we draw flowchart for this particular problem. Now, let us go to the next problem. Okay, again we are going out of Bogilal problems. So, draw a flowchart to find whether a number is even or odd. Okay, this is a small problem. Start. See, first of all, we need to input number because we do not know what is the number. Who will supply the number? The user will supply the number. Okay. What programmer has done? He has taken an identifier NUM for the number. See, whenever the number will be supplied inside this variable NUM, that number will be stored and all the calculations will be done accordingly. So, start input NUM. So, if I divide is NUM, I see this will give me the remainder. Okay. So, if NUM divided by 2, this will give me the remainder. So, if remainder is 0, if it is 0, then what does it mean? That the number is even number. So, if this is yes, then I will print number, its value will be printed. Now, I am writing inside bracket. So, message will be printed as it is, number is even number. I will close this bracket. Okay. If remainder is number divided by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. See, my flowcharts are journals because in C language whenever you take decision you use double equal to, but these flowcharts are journals. So, I am using single equal to only. If num divided by 2 is equal to 0, it means if remainder is equal to 0, then it means that number is even number. Otherwise, what I will do? I will print number, whatever is the value of number that will be displayed is odd. Okay. So, what will I do after this? I stop. This is no. In this case also, now what I have to do? I have to stop. So, what we are doing? We are inputting a number, suppose number is 10. Okay. If I 10 divided by 2, this division gives me the remainder, 10 divided by 2, it gets divided. So, remainder will be 0. So, I will come down, I will print 10 is even number. Now, suppose my number is 9, 9 divided by 2, this will give me 1 because remainder is 1. So, it is not 0. So, I am not going down, I am coming here, I will print number, that is 9 is odd. Okay. So, we have drawn some basic flowcharts with decision boxes, and at one time we have taken only one decision. Okay. We have not written if number of years greater than 5 and bill greater than 500. Okay. In one decision box, so far we have taken only one decision. Okay. So, we will continue drawing some more flowcharts in next class.